Good morning students, welcome to my channel Venkat Academy. Students, today we should learn one more important topic, that is numerical problems on humane and colorful world. In this topic we have to learn some numerical problems, especially in the myopia, hypermetropia and power of lens. Okay, let's go to discussion about the first problem. See here, the first problem is a person wears glasses of power minus 2.5D. How much here? Minus 2.5D. Is the person far sighted or near sighted? Means you have to find what is the side here. Is the far side or near side? What is the far point of the person without glasses? So without glasses we have to find what is the far point. And last time we had a discussion about what is the near point and far point. Means far point is without straight, we have to see the long distance object. Okay, the distance is nothing but far point. Okay, so in this question, first of all, one clue is given. What is the clue here? Power of lens given. What is the power of lens? Minus 2.5. So see here, power is as a minus or plus is a depend upon the lenses. Means that the concave lens power always negative. Okay, the negative power is indicates concave lens. So concave lens is corrected by the myopia. Understand? And also the power of lens, if the positive means, that is convex lens. So convex lens is correction for hypermetropia. So that's why here power given, that is what type of power? Negative power. The negative power indicates what is the side here? Myopia. Understand? If the power is minus means and focal length also minus. Okay, once you see, you have to write the given data here. So what is the given data here? Given data is power of lens P is equal to minus 2.5 D. Here D means diopters. Diopter is the units of power of lens. So you know power of lens means, first of all you have to find focal length. So what is the focal length? So you know the relation between power of lens and focal length. Power of lens P is equal to 100 by F. In the centimeter, what is the formula? P is equal to 100 by F. So that's why what about F is equal to? F is equal to 100 by P. Means have to exchange this two. Next F is equal to 100 by 2.5. So because here minus. So already Fp given how much? Minus 2.5. Now F is equal to. So you have to do 10 by 10. 10 by 10 means how much here? 1000 by 25 minus. Okay? 25 ones, 25 40s. So F is equal how much? Minus 40 centimeter. How much F value? F is equal to minus 40 centimeter. This is the focal length. The focal length of that power of lens. Next, they want to ask you what is the side here. So minus means this is the which side. So it is nothing but myopia. So because the concave lens, so because minus given, that's what is the concave lens correction. Concave lens correction is near sight, okay, or short sight. So myopia is also known as near sight or short sight. So that's why which type of defect this is? Myopia or near sight. First one over. Next, what is the far point? You want the far point means must should find image distance. So you know very well here FL. Then what about object distance? So in the myopia especially, if there is not given the object means the object is very long distance from the lens. Means object distance must should minus infinity. Means that object distance should take infinity. And also it is the minus. And also the myopia, object distance always greater than image distance. That is very very important. In myopia, object distance always greater than image distance. And also U value means object distance, image distance and power of lens always negative. Okay, that point very 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 important. Yes. Now you know F value and U value, you should find image distance. Image distance, that is nothing but far point. Yes. You know very well what is the lens formula? So 1 by F is equal to 1 by V minus 1 by U. Yes, 1 by FL how much? Minus 40 is equal to 1 by V minus 1 by infinity. Understand? Yes. So 1 by minus 40 is equal to 1 by b minus 1 by infinity value is nothing but 0. So 1 by b is equal to how much? Minus 1 by 40. So take reciprocal. B is equal to minus 40 centimeter. So what is the meaning that? So this means object infinity means the image also formed on focus. Why? Because f value and image distance always same here. So where is the far point here? The far point is on focus only. So that is minus 40 centimeter. What is the second problem? Second problem is the near point of a person suffering from hypermetropia is 75 centimeter. So what is different here? Hypermetropia. And calculate focal length and power of lens required to enable him to read the newspaper, which is kept at 25 centimeter from the eye. So means that this is the what is the difference here? Hypermetropia. Hypermetropia means it is nothing but far sight or long sightedness. So in this defect, what is the correction for hypermetropia? Hypermetropia correction is convex lens. What is that? Convex lens. And also the power of lens of convex lens is always positive. Means must should we will get the power and focal length is positive only. And one more important point, in hypermetropia, object distance is less than image distance. Means object is nothing but small than image distance. So means here newspaper is kept. Newspaper is here, that is the object. So object is placed at 25 centimeter. And also object distance and image distance and power of lens always you should take negative. In this condition, the hypermetropia you should take negative. Only power of lens only positive. So means you have to take the given data. What is the given data here? So object distance must should take minus 25 centimeter and image distance. So where is image formed? 75 centimeter. That is a image distance. That also minus. Now first you have to find what is the focal length. So you know very well what is the lens formula. So lens formula is 1 by f is equal to 1 by b minus 1 by u. What is lens formula? 1 by f is equal to 1 by b minus 1 by u. Means that 1 by f is equal to 1 by, what is the v value here? Minus 75 minus 1 by, what about u here? Minus 25 centimeter. Understand? Yes. 1 by f is equal to, here 1 by minus 75 minus into minus plus 1 by 25. So 1 by f is equal to, take LCM, 75 and 25 is take 100. So 75 will take, okay, minus 1, 25 3s. Okay, so 1 by f is equal to 3 minus 1, 2 by 75. So then f is equal to, take reciprocal. Reciprocal means 75 by 2. 75 by 2. Do the cancellation here. 2 ones, 2, 37.5 centimeters. Means what is the focal length here? F is equal to plus 37.5 centimeters. That is the focal length value. Understand? So that is the focal length. So next also they are asking that find power of lens. So you know very well what is the power of lens formula. So P is equal to 100 by F. P is equal to 100 by F. Now substitute the values here. P is equal to 100 by, so what is F value here? So F value is 37.5 or you should take 75 by 2. I have taken 75 by 2. 75 by 2. So you have to write like this. 100 into 2 by 75. Okay, this 2 is the denominator by denominator, 100 numerator. So that's why P is equal to 200 by 75. Take 25 table. 25 3s, 25 8s. Means that 8 by 3. So 8 by 3 means 3 ones, 3 2s are 6, remaining 2 is there, 3 6 are 18, again 3 6 are, means you have to write like this, p is equal to plus 2.6 more than 6 means you have to take 7, means p is equal to plus 2.67 diopters, that is the power of lens. Understood? This model question very important, means they will give the object distance and image distance, we should find focal length and power of lens, and our sign convention very important. Okay, in hypermetropia object distance less than image distance, in myopia object distance is greater than image distance. Understand? Next you can go for third problem. The problem is an object of height 4 cm is placed at a distance of 15 cm. How much here? 15 cm, and height of the object 4 cm. So what is the lens here? Concave lens of power minus 10D. Find the size of the image. Means you want to find height of the image. You want to find. Yes. Here first of all you have to write given data here. So what is the given data? So here given data is height of the object given, that is HO. HO is equal to, always take plus 4 cm, but because above the principal axis, and distance of the object U is equal to, U always should take minus 15 cm. So what is the lens here? Concave lens. Concave lens is nothing but negative lens. So how much power? P is equal to minus 10 diopters. Means you have to find what given here, only height of the object and object distance and power of lens. Means you want to find height of the image. So you want to find height of the image means first of all you want to find image distance. So image distance means at least you want to find at least two values, at least object distance, at least focal length. But here not the focal length. Then how to find focal length of the lens? So you know very well what is the relation between power of lens and focal length. P is equal to 100 by F in centimeter. So means that you know already power, how much? Minus 10, means F is equal to how much here? 100 by P. 100 by P. So F is equal to 100 by how much P value? Minus 10. Understand? Now 10 ones, 10 tens. So F is equal to minus 10 centimeter. That is the focal length. So you know very well object distance and focal length. Now find image distance. So then how to find? By using of lens formula. What is lens formula? 1 by F is equal to 1 by V minus 1 by U. So 1 by F, how much? 1 by minus 10 is equal to 1 by V value. You want to find V value minus 1 by U value, how much here? Minus 15. Minus 15. So this 1 by minus 10 is equal to 1 by V minus into minus plus 1 by 15 V. So you want to 1 by V value. See 1 by 15 is there, you send another side. So 1 by minus 10, here 1 by 15 is plus, move the side minus 1 by 15 is equal to 1 by V. So you want to 1 by V value. 1 by V is equal to, take reciprocal, 10 and 15 reciprocal take. So what is the reciprocal? 10 and 15. Take 10 and 15. 5 2s, 5 3s. Means 2 3s are 6, 6 5s, 30. So 30 is LCM. So means that 10 3s minus 3 minus 15 2s. Okay? Yes. 1 by V is equal to minus 3 minus 2. How much? Minus 5 by 30. Okay? Then what about V value? V is equal to, take reciprocal, minus 30 by 5. Means 5 ones, 5 6. So how much here? Minus 6 centimeter. That is the image distance. Now find what you want? Find the size of the image. So size of the image means you know very well magnification formula. What is the magnification formula? Hi by Hy is equal to V by U. So Hi means height of the image. by HO is equal to V by U. So you want HI value, HI by HO, height of the object, 4 is equal to minus 6 V value and U value minus 15. Minus 15. Take 3 table, 3 2 jar, 3 5 jar. Okay, means minus 2 by 10. So this 4 say that's it. HI is equal to 4 2 jar 8 minus 8 by 5. How much here? Minus 2 by minus 15. Okay, here minus minus cancel. So here 4 is division center side. 4 to the 8 and 8 by 5. How much here? 8 by 5. So 8 by 5 is how much? 5, 8. 5 ones 3.0. 5 6 are 30. Means how much here? Plus 1.6 centimeter. How much HI? HI is equal to 1.6 centimeter. That is the height of the image. Understand? This model question is very important. Okay. So what first of all you have to write what is the given data. So by using of data you have to find by using of P first find F, by using of F and U find image distance, and you have to take the height of the image Mankish formula. Finally you have to find what is the size of the image. Understand? This model question is very important, especially in CBSE and state board also. Understand, students? So that is today what is the numerical problems. Next class we have to discussing about some more important problems also. Okay, until keep smiling. Thank you.